What if I told you that a few simple thoughts, repeated daily, could completely change how you deal with stress, failure, even success? It might sound unbelievable, but the truth is, the words we tell ourselves shape how we think, how we act, and ultimately, who we become. The ancient Stoics understood this power. They didn't rely on motivation or luck. They relied on mindset. And today, we're unlocking 6 timeless reminders they use to build unshakable resilience, clarity, and inner peace. Life challenges us constantly. Frustration, disrespect, unexpected setbacks. Most people react without thinking, letting emotions take over. But the Stoics chose a different path. They trained their minds to respond with wisdom and calm, not through magic, but through repetition. And it started with how they spoke to themselves. It begins with the realization, I don't control what happens around me. I control my mind. You can't stop someone from being rude. You can't stop traffic from being bad. But you can stop those things from controlling your peace. That's real power. Your reaction, not the situation, determines your day. And when you understand that, you begin to value something we often ignore. This moment, right now, the present. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself not to act as if he had endless time, because he didn't. And neither do we. We waste so much energy regretting the past or worrying about the future, and we miss the only thing that actually exists, the present. When you're truly here, in this moment, you gain clarity. You become focused, alive. And even in struggle, you realize pain isn't something to run from. It's a teacher. It shapes us. Think about the pain of discipline, the soreness after training, the sting of failure. That's growth in progress. The Stoics embraced hardship because they knew it forged strength. They didn't ask, why me? They asked, what is this teaching me? And when you stop expecting the world to be easy, something amazing happens. You expect nothing and appreciate everything. The more you expect, the more room you leave for disappointment. But when you release expectations and embrace reality as it is, gratitude becomes your default setting. Every little thing becomes a gift. And when life gets overwhelming, remember this: everything is temporary. Nothing, no pain, no success, no storm lasts forever. This truth gives you perspective. You stop clinging, you stop panicking. You breathe through the chaos, knowing it will pass. Because it always does. And maybe the most powerful reminder of all, memento mori. Remember that your time is limited. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because when you truly realize that life isn't forever, you stop wasting time on what doesn't matter. You stop holding grudges. Stop hesitating. Stop waiting for someday. You start living now with purpose. These reminders aren't magic spells, but if you repeat them daily, they will rewire how you see yourself, others, and the world. You'll become calmer, clearer, stronger, the kind of strength that doesn't need to shout because it's felt in how you carry yourself. Which of these thoughts hit home for you? Let me know in the comments. And if this video brought you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss what's coming next. Because True peace isn't about controlling the world. It's about mastering yourself. Stay resilient, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next one.